Hey, let's talk open houses. This is a hot topic with my sellers, with some previous listings I've had this year and some listings I've have coming up. A lot of my sellers, the trends is they don't want to have open houses. An open house is open to the public. So that means for whatever hours we're holding an open house, anybody can walk into that open house and see the open house, right? It's open to the public. They don't have to be pre-approved. They don't have to be qualified. So yeah, in open houses, we see a lot of looky-loos. We see people who just were driving by and saw a sign and popped in. They're not even pre-approved or interested in buying. We see something that's very common is people who are thinking or exploring the AV. They have agents or they don't even know their pre-approval and they drive up here and they just kind of hit different open houses. Looking at open houses, believe it or not, is a hobby for a lot of people. People like to see the decor and stuff in open houses. So for a seller, if somebody is truly, truly interested in your house, they're not going to wait for an open house to see your house. They're going to get in there. But is an open house an extra layer marketing? Yeah, but it's not something that's going to make or break the sale of your home. You know, we could hold an open house and have 0 people show up. We could hold an open house and have 5 neighbors show up. It's very hit and miss, and there's no guarantee. Even with all the marketing we do around open houses, there's no guarantee. So it's up to you as a seller. Lots to know. Like, follow, and share for more. Have a great day.